Alright, so welcome back, guys. So we got a new video. We're going down to a little meat spot. Me and some of the guys from the group. Gotta start doing actual intros on the camera though. Not using the GoPro to do all the intros, but a lot of the time it's like I'm on the fly and always driving someplace. So yeah, we're gonna go down there. It's about 40 minutes or so. With some people, do a little bit of racing, watch a little bit of racing. It's not extremely fast cars. Most of the group that I'm in is all like V6 Mustangs. There's like 2 V8s, but one's like a 70s Skylark or 70s Buick, and then the other one is a 02 Grand Marquis with a 4.6 Mustang engine in it, but that thing's like a tank, so it weighs a ton. So it's not gonna be like really fast races, but it's just gonna be something. So let's go down there. I'm gonna keep the GoPro on for a little bit, you know, see what happens. Other than that, just stay tuned.
Okay, so now I'm recording, just letting you know. It's gonna get bad. Rush, shit happens. You got it?
There we go.
Let's see the spacers in there.
A nice, beautiful. What was it? Half inch?
Inch and 1/4.
Inch and 1/4.
Inch and 1/4. I'm gonna see the other side real quick.
Yeah, go get it here.
Woo! What'd you say?
I said go get your nice.
I say we just leave it like that, a little cambered.
A little cambered. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see about that.
Custom exhaust setup.
I don't remember if I have to focus on manual.
No, I'm focusing it.
Come on. So
I put a Band-Aid on my car, actually.
You put a... Yo, I see that. I did not notice that until you said something.
It's a Band-Aid.
It's a legit Band-Aid.
Pretty much. Got the interior on this house.
Let's check out.
It's not wanting to just push in. Huh.
I feel like there's a little bit more sticking out on this end than there is on that.
Nah, it's even.
Nah, it's even.
See how good it looks from the back, though? I love it.
It does actually look really nice.
It looks aggressive as shit. Like, it looks like it wants to go off-roading.
My car is just naturally aggressive, so it's just like I don't have to do.
This is what I have to do. And now I need to get a new exhaust because that looks dinky. Yep.
I didn't realize that you just had a single exhaust.
I really don't.
You got mixed wood, bro?
No.
When did you like buy it?
Alright, so it seems like it's gonna start raining. I'm gonna put the camera back in my car. We just got done putting the spacers into this car.
I'm gonna claim the money that they owe me.
It's really, really nice. We might be going to a meet tonight. There's a pop-up meet scheduled for 7, but I have no idea if we'd be going because it's gonna be raining. So that's an issue. Or it might be raining. I'm not too sure. It stopped raining at the meet last night, but I didn't record any of it. So you'll guys will see in a minute whether we go. Okay, so it actually stopped raining. So I took the camera back.
You know what transmission fluid smells like? It's definitely not coolant. It's like oily. Like it's... do you want to stick your finger there? Right where it's all... That line with the white tube. With the white one? Yeah, that. transmission fluid. Right?
Yeah, I think that's yeah, I think that's transmission. How the do you have a transmission fluid leak?
It's not my fault. It's
Oh, we weren't taking pictures. It's video.
Oh, it's video.
Yeah.
I got him to line all the Mustangs up and we'll take a picture.
I mean, if you want that, I can do that. So who's got a transmission?
I don't know.
I had that freaking coolant leak in there. So that was bad. Is it leaking bad?
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's so here's the thing, if it's transmission, you don't want to be driving it around, trust me. If you want to park my car.
Is it really sensitive?
Yes.
In reverse?
Yes. Reverse, drive, sport, everything. Get a little started. Just trying to get all the Mustangs lined up for a picture because his mom wants it.
Oh my God.
I told you!
Oh, God, barely touched that.
Yeah, yeah.
What the
Yeah, so was mom. That was funny. I wonder if I actually got that. That's insensitive. This one is. Yep, right there. And then now back in. I don't mind if you hop the little thing right there.
Bro, I'm telling you.
I know. Believe me. Trust me. You know how much of a difficult time I had trying to get out of my freaking driveway when I first got it tuned?
I don't want to.
Alright, so we heading to like Wendy's or something to go get food. And then we're gonna head to the meet. Wendy's is like 6 minutes from here. If you wanna go to Wendy's. Wendy's is like 6 minutes from here. Alright. And head out to the meet. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to get on the GoPro. It seems I had forgotten to charge the third battery. So I have two. But yeah, it's a fun little pop-out meet. After 9 o'clock, everybody's gonna be sending it. So I got the GoPro or the camera all set up properly and mint. To be taking videos and stuff of all of them going and sending it. I don't think I'm going to be sending it in this car because of issues. Oh my God. Look at that fitment though. Look at that. The way the wheels, it's so aggressive. Along with the freaking Jesus Christ, Blake. Alright. This is his neighborhood too. I don't care because it's not my neighborhood, but the video or the GoPro right now, up until we get to the meet. Once we get to the meet, I'll be using that camera. So listen to copyrighted music and kind of want to listen to some music. All right. He's like, is it touchy? And I was like, yes, it's very touchy. You know, it's tuned. And he pressed it when he was trying to go forward up a little bit, and you just see the
wheels spin and just shoot out rocks. And he's like, bro, I didn't even touch it that much. And I was like, yeah, I know. You don't have to worry about it.
No,
it just.
It has no space.
Yeah, the only thing you have to worry about is torque steer. That's it. Yeah, get a little squirrely. That's about it. But
Mixtures, because for whatever reason the previous owner had mixtures of screws and bolts. So there's mixtures of screws and bolts right here that I have to take off. Pop this off. There's a mixture of different sized bolts. Then the same thing on that side as this side, and then there's 16 screws for the splash guard underneath.
I just got zip ties. I just pop it out really quick.
That's why I don't even have the splash guard anymore.
everything. I don't care what anybody says.
My airbox is zip tied on.
Like zip ties makes everything.
Like, in order for, like, that's why I don't run the splash guard anymore. Because in order for me to even do an oil change on my car, I had to remove the splash guard.
Wait, what?
Yeah. And only one of them's fast. I mean, this is quick. It's just not. Oh, you were sitting on it.
Yeah.
You could have told me that you closed it. That you heard it close.
I didn't feel anything. I heard it water on.
Yeah, I was gonna say, because when you were pulling up,
Thank you.
I got new ideas though.
Hey, we still good.
No coolant leaks for me.
you gotta clean up your engine bay, my dude.
Yeah, well, that's all from the coolant that was spewing all over the place.
That looks like pollen and shit.
No, that's the.
It wasn't that bad for a 4 compared to a 5.0.
I mean, comparatively to like from an EcoBoost to a V6, the EcoBoost is faster anyway.
Yeah.
So
More technology.
Technically, out of all the Mustangs here, Rob has the biggest balls because he did it right. He bought a V8. I'm sorry, but he bought a V8. I'm sorry.
I also did a. Hey Trevor, why don't you open it?
Literally put it
Come
in.
on, open it.
I'm not gonna fucking open it.
Open it.
I'll open it right now.
I'll stand.
It won't do anything. Go open it. It's not pressurized or anything.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna stand the fuck
It definitely
back
is
in
good.
case that does get open. Oh yeah, nah, fuck that.
Bro, I did this shit all the time, bro. Opened it.
Hey, there we go.
It is.
You have the balls to do it.
All good.
Look, I've been hurt enough this week.
I have to change that head on. I'll learn manual on a go-kart.
Look at
He's gonna put that. Where's he sitting? I didn't expect that. Look right here and start right there. Alright. Don't hit it on the car.
All right, so Trevor's got to send it. Unfortunately, his sensor died.
Yeah, this is for the video. Yeah. Yes, sir. You're reversed. Oh shit. Daddy, chill.
Trevor, I can't make it that fast.
oh, this is just the beginning.
It's just one line.
That dumbass. God, shit better be good.
That's all we know.
Please teach him how to go.
We gotta get him out though.
He said he would. Yo, show him how to fucking do it. Oh my god!
Almost smacked the pole. Almost.
Alright, show him how to do this shit.
Why'd you guys talk to Ian doing this?
This is gonna be bad. This is gonna be bad.
Teach you how to do it the right way.
You gotta take it though. I mean, he didn't do it. Yeah, he was Show him how it's done. Show him how it's done. Stand back! Come on, Adam.
That's about all. Adam doesn't have any tires.
Chill, I need to ride home! My tires are gone. Let me go in, you gotta do it. Like, I wanna be in the car when you do it. Yeah, I got to. You gotta do it, come on, like we have to. I wanna be in the car.
I think the most I could do is just a little donut.
You just do a little donut with me in the car, like I wanna be like scared. Alright. You got a full send it.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, it was a lot of fun watching Trevor full send his Grand Marquis around the donuts. Unfortunately, I didn't grab too much of that. And I did kind of send my Mustang a little bit. Did some donuts, did a little Bernie. And that was about it in that parking lot. But that clip of the Fiesta just doing his two-step, so great. Fortunately, it ruined the two-step, ruined the audio, even with the mic that I got. So guys couldn't, like, I felt that in my chest when I was listening to it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you
guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more. Definitely leave a comment if you guys want to see certain type of comment or content that I can always try putting out more of based off of what I get. So other than that, so just peace out until next time.